Alright guys, welcome to our free weekly video for Saturday the 19th. Okay, this is what I see for the markets going into the majors for the week coming along. Alright, for next week. The Euro already gave us 50 pips, right? We already collected this move. We're still waiting for the completion to the 139.95 to our D extension. This is what we're waiting on the Euro to happen. We're still waiting for the bounce, okay, of our C extension once again. See if they're gonna come right to this level, all right, and bounce again to our D extension. So we're gonna be waiting for the Euro. Kind of boring week with the Euro dollar, but again gave us the break of that descending triangle for around 60 pips this week. The Swissy, let's go to the Swissy, see what the Swissy is doing. What might do this next week? We have a channel that they are breaking out right here, that they are working on it. And it looks like, let's see the date chart, it's still on a downtrend. Yeah, we're still in the downtrend, as you guys can see. Let me, I'll scale out of it. We're still in a downtrend, so this can just be a bear flag, and this will be our target. See the break of this bear flag, this might give us a good move to the double bottom right here, to a bottom right here, to this support. So this is what we're gonna be looking for. We're gonna be looking to come all the way to 86 or 8700. Currently with at 8831. So wait for the break of the flag. You'll be waiting to break this level. Once it breaks this strong support right here that was created over these days, we'll be looking to take it to the 8700. So let me place it. Let's go back to the 240 and let's make it bigger. Let's make it big. So this will be our first trade. Let's see what we're gonna be looking on the Swissy. Swissy, I'll be interested below, right here, below this line. Let's put a line in there. Like, I'll be interested below this line, which is around 87.77. So the break of the flag around here will be 8800. Okay, so all the way to 87.70. This will give you the first trade of 30 pips around this area. 30 pips, and then we will have the second trade all the way to the bottom right here to 8700 for an additional 40 or 50 pips to this area right here. Once you take this support of 8780, we'll be looking to come all the way to 8700. Okay, so this is what I see on the Swissy. Let's go to the pound. Let's see what the cable is doing. Cable, we were waiting for the pullback, and it already given us a pullback of about 30 to 40 pips from this top. Now we are at the day chart top. Remember that this is strong PSR, so we're still looking for a continuation of this trend. Come and bounce off around the 55th, which will be 6750, to take us all the way to the top around 6900. That's what I'm looking on the cable. All right. Now, if the cable breaks this 618 fib right about here, then we might come to the bottom of the channel and then wait for the confirmation to the bounce to the chart top once again. Okay, that's on the cable. Let's go to the loonie. Let's see what the loonie is doing, guys. See what the loonie, nothing to do in the loonie. We still have right here, we are inside this wedge. We're still waiting to see if they're gonna break out of it. It looks like they are working this channel right now, right here. You see it on the screen. So they might give us the pullback to a one, the 11000. It's only 22 pips, not worth it. It's just been moving around this consolidation area right here. So we have the pole being worked in this area, and we're still waiting for the break. We're still waiting for the break. Let's see what they're gonna do. Now it appears to me that this is let's see, this is a 1 and 2. Yeah, it looks like they are working this trend. Let's go here, and this can be our first wave right here. This will be our second wave, and we'll be waiting for the third wave to the downside to take this support right here, take the break. This will be our first trade, and this will be our second trade in the loonie. If they break to the north, You need confirmation to break above these resistance levels. So they need to prove it to us that they want to go north above 110.80. I'll be interested in taking this chart all the way to 111.50, maybe the 1200 as well. Remember, they need to do a bunch of square ups. Here is the square up that they need to do to these candles. So it might give us this coming week. It all depends on the loonie. Let's go to the yen and see what the yen is doing. The yen, we posted this. Oh, I still have this going on here. We posted this in Facebook as a free trade. We're expecting the sellout. They already came and squared up some of these candles, as you can see, right? They came and squared them up. They squared them up. And we still have this strong support at the 101.20. So we'll be interested in taking this trade to the downside once it breaks this channel. All right. We still are trying to go and establish a downtrend. Let me take a look. Yes, same thing as the loonie. They already did the first wave. This can be our second wave, and it'll be here our third wave. We'll be waiting for them to break this strong support around 101.24, right below the break of this channel. It will give us around 101.20, about 100 pips all the way down. Do not miss this trade. If we see it, do not miss it all the way to the bottom of this strong support. Once it breaks this support, we'll be looking for our second trade to happen around this area. So this is our first trade, and this will be our second trade. That's on the yen. Let's go to the Aussie dollar, see what the Aussie is doing. Aussie, we're right now breaking, trying to, I think, work this channel down. I have it here on the screen. We still don't know if they are going to work it all the way down, but it appears that they are working this channel. And this will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, waiting for the fifth wave to be completed. Okay, so I'll be interested if they break this flagpole that they are have in place right now. So last Thursday and Friday was a holiday, kind of slow, nothing to do Thursday and Friday, as you can see. So we'll see what Monday gonna do with the Aussie. New Zealand, let's see what the New Zealand is doing. Same thing. We're still waiting to see if they are gonna bounce back from here and come inside the channel. Okay, we're still waiting to see if they are gonna do this. Now let's go and look at the whole picture. This is the whole picture on the New Zealand. It's a huge trend that they've been working on, okay, to the upside, and we're still waiting to see if they are going to break the support line right here. Let me establish the support. Once they break this support, I'll be interested in taking it right about here. Once they break this support, I'll be interested in this move, okay? So be aware this week for this trade. This only gives you this trade here if they break this support right about here. This gives you only 20 pips, not worth to take this trade. I'll be interested if they break this support line. I'll be interested in taking it to this downside. They have this line right here as a support line. So it will take us at least to the 8400, 8420. Do not miss this trade in the New Zealand. Okay, that's what I see in the major, guys. If you guys are not a member of our room, let me show you. This is what you miss. All right, this is what you have missed if you guys are not a member. Forex Trading Zones, not a member. This is what you missed just this past week. You're in New Zealand for our Tuesday trade. Gave us this beautiful break of a trend line, and we were expecting this since last week. We were waiting for it and waiting for it. That gave us 90 pips. All right, 90 pips. They bounced right off the 78.6, and they came all the way to the top. What did they do next? The break of a bear flag. We were waiting for this channel to break, for this bear flag to break, and this was in the AJ. The AJ trade was another beauty. Broke of the trend line, broke of the channel. Where do they take us? All the way to the support line. There was this strong support being worked on this currency, and that's where they took us straight to that for another 90 pips. Another, this one was on the pound chief. Pound chief's unsustainable move. We were waiting for this unsustainable move to give us a trade. What do they do? This is what they did. Look what they did. They were waiting for it and waiting for it. We wait for the entry, we wait for the break of the support, and this was the support line that we were waiting for them to break. And they did. Once they did, we took the trade right here. This was our entry. This was our stop, and there was our reward straight to the 618 number on the fib. All right. Next one, euro dollar. This was one of the trades. This was one of the free videos posted in Facebook. We were waiting for the bounce of our C extension, and they gave us 60 pips on that. There was the break of the triangle, and there it took us for 60 pips. Here, the Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand for the week. After we identified a crab pattern Garley, it gave us the sell. Once they reached the top of that, there was the break. Took us to the support line of the channel. It took us again back for an additional 90 pips. So for the week alone, guys, here is what we did. 465 pips. If you're trading standard contracts, that's north of $4,000. Mini lots, that would be 465, and micro lots about 46 bucks. What you learn in the room, this is what you learn in the room. You learn when to trade, when not to trade, how to recharge like a professional, how to identify trend patterns, and how to use PSRs and Fibonacci's to identify those higher probability trades. All right, learn to trade for targets and not to trade for 3 to 5 pips anymore. All right, this is our training room. Training room goes for $249 a month. We meet every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We have 2 London sessions, 1 New York session, and we do a setup day, which is construction day on Mondays. All right, what is it that you have? Week of the 14 to the 18, 465 pips, $4,000 plus 465 on the mini. So the cost of the room, $249. All you need is 25 pips a month. That's all you need, and you get the room for free. Free training room for 25 pips. If you're trading mini lots, that will be equal to 250 pips. Just this week alone, we came and we did 465. Last week, we did 680 pips. This is what you do. This is what you capture. This is the amount of pips you will capture if you learn to trade for targets. So again, here is our quote, right? This is what we do. Do not trading every day. It's not about trading every day. It's about waiting for the right trade to take. All right, guys. So I hope this video helped you guys out the coming week. Hope to see you in the room. Remember, visit us in our website, www.ForexTradingZones.com, and sign up to any of our free webinars. I hope to see you guys over there. So take care. Have a nice weekend and happy Easter to all of you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.